Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and join Google Classroom on the NOKIA X10. And to do this, first let's open our Google Play Store. Right here we want to look for the Google Classroom app. Now let's select it and install it. When it's finished, you can open this app, click on Get Started. Right here, choose a account. Then click on this plus button, join the class. Here enter the class code which you should be provided with. And after doing so, click on the join. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.